Assalamualaikum and a very good day to our lecturer and fellow classmates. Today our group will present a topic from modern physics, which is nuclear reaction in stars. Stars are not only beautiful objects in the skies, but they are also a giant natural nuclear reactor that produce enormous amount of energy. Through this presentation, we will explain how nuclear reaction happens inside stars, why they are important, their application, and careers related to this field. Our presentation will also discuss recent investment and the importance of continuous learning in modern physics. We hope everyone will gain a better understanding of how star function, and how nuclear physics affects our daily life. Nuclear reaction in stars mainly occur through a process called a nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion happens when large atomic nuclei combine to form a heavy nucleus while releasing a large amount of energy. In stars like our Sun, hydrogen atoms combine to form helium. This reaction produces heat and light energy that radiates into the space. The Sun continuously performs fusion reaction every second, which is why it shines brightly and supports life of Earth. This topic is important in modern physics because it explains the source of stellar energy and helps scientists understand the formation and evolution of stars in the universe.
We choose nuclear fusion because it is closely connected to daily life and also the Sun. The Sun produces energy through nuclear fusion, and this energy supports life on Earth. Besides that, nuclear reactions in stars are very important because they provide heat and light for our planet. Without this reaction, life on Earth would not exist. We also find this topic interesting because stars can produce high amount of energy from fusion reaction. It shows how powerful and efficient nuclear fusion is. Lastly, scientists today are studying fusion technology as a possible clean energy source for the future. It may help reduce pollution and provide sustainability energy for humans. For our research methodology, we use textbooks, journals, and educational websites to collect accurate information about nuclear fusion. We also refer to lecture notes and trusted science video to better understand the topic and make our presentation clear. During the research, one of the main challenges was understanding complex nuclear physics concepts because some of the terms and process were difficult. To solve these problems, we discuss together in groups and compare information from reference sources. This helps us understand the topic more clearly and complete our research successfully.
The main nuclear reaction that occurs inside the stars is nuclear fusion. In the core of stars, temperatures can reach millions of degrees Celsius, and at such extremely high temperatures, hydrogen move very quickly and collide with each other. When these hydrogen nuclei combine, they form helium nuclei and release a huge amount of energy in the form of heat and light. This energy then travels from the core of the star into space. The Sun converts around 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium every second. Although some mass is lost during the reaction, the lost mass is converted into energy according to Einstein's famous equation, which is E equals to mc. Nuclear reaction in stars are extremely important because they are responsible for producing the energy that powers the universe. Without fusion reaction, stars would not emit light or heat. These reactions also create heavier elements such as carbon, oxygen, and iron. These elements are later spread throughout space when stars explode, and they eventually become part of the planets and living organisms. This means that the atoms inside our bodies were originally formed inside stars billions of years ago. Therefore, nuclear reaction in stars not only provide energy, but also contribute to the creation of matter needed for life.
Now I'm going to talk about application in daily life. Nuclear fusion and solar energy are closely related to our daily lives. The sun naturally produces heat, light, energy through nuclear fusion, and this energy is essential for humans, animals, and plants to survive on Earth. Sunlight also helps plants carry out photosynthesis, which produces food and oxygen needed for life. In addition, solar energy can be converted into electricity using solar panels. This provides a renewable and environmentally friendly source of energy. Scientists are also continuing research on fusion technology to develop future power plants that can generate large amounts of clean energy with less pollution than fossil fuels. Next is recent advancements in issues. Now I will explain some recent advancements and issues in nuclear fusion research. Scientists have made major progress in developing fusion technology, especially through international projects such as IZAAN. These projects aim to create fusion reactors that can produce large amounts of energy safely and efficiently. Recent fusion experiments have shown promising results where researchers were able to produce and sustain fusion reactions for a short period of time. However, there are still many challenges. Fusion requires extremely high temperatures and careful plasma control, which are difficult and expensive to maintain. Even so, nuclear fusion has great potential to become a clean and sustainable energy source in the future because it produces less pollution and radioactive waste compared to fossil fuels.
When we think about the careers in physics and self-development, we aren't just talking about the formulas, we are talking about the understanding the every fabric of our existence. Let's look at the three incredible career paths. First, we have the astrophysicists. These professionals are the ultimate explorers of the cosmos. They study everything from the distant galaxy to the nuclear reactions happening inside the star. If you have the passion for the telescope and complex data and high-level mathematics, this is where you can truly reach for the star. Next, we move from the massive to the microscopic with the nuclear physics. This role focuses on the power of atoms, researching things like nuclear fusions and radiations. These experts work in the laboratories and energy industries using sharp analytical and problem-solving skills to power our futures. Finally, there is a space scientist. While similar to astrophysicists, this role is more hands-on with the missions and technology. They work with organizations like NASA to develop space tech and explore planets. This path is perfect for those who excel in the teamwork, technology, and applied research. So this is our last slide for presentations. In conclusions, nuclear reactions in the star are one of the most important processes in the universe. Through nuclear fusions, stars produce energy, light an essential element needed for life. This topic has helped us understand the connections between the modern physics and everyday daily life. We also learned about the current fusion research and future career opportunities in this field. Although there are still challenges in the fusion technologies, continued research may lead to a cleaner and more sustainable energy sources for our future generations. Thank you for listening our presentations. We hope you learned something new and interesting about nuclear reaction in stars.